said, hey, as you stopped me just a second.
Ideally, innovative, impressive. Welcome to 13 Pyrus Place.
And it feels like you smashed me with a hammer. I'm ready to see we fell apart. I'm ready to believe you have a heart. And then you said, hey, we can build it all up again. We can leave with the morning train. I could try to get over you, but I will never love again. Hey, we can build it all up again. We can dance in the summer.
This is special, a real Butler's pantry. Room for your fridge, you have your sink and your bench tops. Then you step out to this dream kitchen with the stone bench tops and the 5-burner gas stove. Timber floors, ducted air conditioning, plantation blinds, 4 bedrooms, study, 2 bathrooms, 3 living areas. It's top class.
You're the queen of my car, ha 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 ha. Still you're in my heart, ha 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 heart. Hey, we can build it all up again. We can leave with the morning train. I could try to get over you, but I will never love again. Hey, we can build it all up.
Flawless design inside. Timber decking to your private entertainment area, leading out to the glistening in-ground pool. Set on 743 square metre block. You have your water tanks, 20 solar panels, vacuum made. You'll be proud to call this one home.
There's a storm coming in to break it tonight.